Welcome, today I am with Sony Xperia 10 Mark III and I will show you how you can activate and customize always in display. In this smartphone, this option we cannot find as default in the settings, for example, so we have to use external application. Type Muviz Edge in the Play Store and get this application. Right now we can open, accept both permissions, right now select overlay mode and tap to get started. Next, go for the AOD screens and the right bottom corner. As you can see right here, we can find AOD themes. So if you want to attach one of them, if you want to apply one of them, for example, I'm going to make it with this one, you have to click apply on the right bottom corner. Next, you have to tap right here to customize. And right now I will show you my favorite setup. But of course you can set it up in a different way as you like. Okay, and right now we can lock our device when you finish custom of this option, and there it is. As you can see, always in display appears on the screen. We can turn it off by touching fingerprint, we can turn off by tapping on the screen, and then simply unlock our smartphone. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.